In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve or fix video playback issues you're experiencing on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and select that. On the right panel, select additional troubleshooters, and then scrolling down underneath find and fix other problems. You want to select where it says video playback, find and fix problems of playing movies, TV shows, or videos, and then run the troubleshooter. Give that a moment and then follow through with the steps how it best fits your particular problem. And then hopefully it should give you the right direction as to what you need to install, or ideally it'll just fix it automatically. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.